Hey guys, and welcome back to my vlog. Right now I'm actually just going for a quick breakfast with one of my friends because she's leaving me and she's going to Malaysia, so I'm just kind of saying bye. Oh my god, you guys, I love this dog so much. This is my favorite freaking dog. He's so cute. I'm coming to this waterfall. I think it's called Taman Bijan waterfall. Yeah, it's super beautiful here. I'll turn the camera and show you guys what I have behind me. There's one right there too. Alright, so we have our tour guide. You guys want to say it?
Purification your mind, your body, your soul.
Ariel's leaving! Oh my god! Say anything to my vlog?
Live life.
Okay. What do you have to say to Bali?
I love you. You're beautiful. Come to Bali, baby. If you haven't been here yet, you're missing out.
You're missing out. Hey y'all, so over here doing my work at, excuse my hair by the way, but I'm over here doing some work at Sun Keist Cafe. Got their smoothie bowl. How it looks like. So good. So yeah, I haven't updated you guys in a while, but I definitely need to. And I'm holding the camera really weird because I'm starving. The granola is really good. I just hate that it has raisins. I don't know, I really like raisins in my smoothie bowl. I'll go down. I don't think you guys can see me. Alright. Right now, I have plans to go to Ubud, but I need to go take out some cash. And then I'll be ordering my... I wanted to stop to show you guys these chickens that I see every day when I walk past. Hey guys, I totally forgot to start recording again, but I came to this one cafe and I'm eating, well, I'm almost finished eating like an avocado toast, and I got a mango juice. It's kind of like a smoothie actually. Yeah. So I'll do a quick little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this top, this red top. Matches my lipstick. With these really cute, these pants just scream Bali to me. And my jewelry, ignore that, but my jewelry is just this fake ass enclave, some really small gold hoops, and then my watch. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just here. Oh, these are kind of cool. I like skate bars. They have so many of these. Oh my god. I won't be getting those. I wanted to try this dress on, but at the same time, like, I don't want to get into a dress right now. But it's really cute. Like, I love the design and how it kind of has the slits over here. Alright guys, sorry. Yesterday anyways, definitely wasn't the best of my days, but today's a new day and we're starting fresh, so I'm ready and I'm on my way to go and get Alright guys, I completely forgot to make an outro. But yeah, I just wanted to conclude this video and say thank you for watching. Yeah, basically say thank you for watching. And there is many more videos to come. Excuse the lighting. Should probably go outside. So yeah, hopefully by this week I will start making more vlogs. I just kind of need to get in the loop of how I can manage vlogging and also work, and then of course exploring. So yeah, but it will get done, no excuses. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really enjoyed it, please hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys in the next one. Bye.